Hi everybody, this is Judy at Judy in the Kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make a really easy spinach salad using my delicious sweet-tart pineapple dressing. We have no exact measurements in this salad. It really depends upon your personal preferences and how many people you need to feed. So we want to start with a bed of freshly washed spinach, however much you need, and I have put some avocado slices on there. And to that we want to add a little bit of diced red onion or sliced red onion, whatever, and whatever quantity you want. And if you don't want to use red onion, hey, it's your salad, leave it out. And then we want some bell pepper on there. If you've got red bell pepper, that would add a beautiful color to this. I don't have any red at the moment, so it can go either way. This is green bell pepper. And then we want to add in some grape tomatoes for color. I'm going to just scatter them around on there. And then we want some diced apple with the peel on there. Again, we're going for color. And you can stop right here, or you could add some toasted nuts of your choice. It could be walnuts or sliced almonds. And then you could also throw on some sweetened dried cranberries or cherries if you like. And then I have my pineapple dressing on the side here that I'm going to put on this later on. But that's basically it. If you have not tried this pineapple dressing, let me urge you to try it. The recipe is below. I've got a link below also to the video on where I made this to show you how to make it. It is a delicious sweet tart dressing that would embellish this salad perfectly. So the dressing is really makes the salad, but it makes a pretty presentation as it is, and I want to urge you to give it a try. It's easy, easy, easy. The recipe is below. Give it a try sometime. Let me know how it works for you. This is Judy at Judy in the Kitchen. Bye for now.